What's going on, guys? Ethan, it's morning for the photo shoot. I know what you're thinking. Every time I'm on YouTube I'm wearing a bow tie. I'm going for a kind of a cool look today. I've got really old weathered plimsolls, ripped jean shorts, an untucked kind of like white shirt. It's not a dress shirt, but I like it. And then bow tie, so with the sleeves rolled up, of course. Just going into my gym to get some resistance bands because we got underwear shots today, so I want to be all pumped, you know. Okay, it's my first, well, when I was in my first ever photo shoot, I did some stuff in a swimming costume, but I was like, that was in September, so I was not happy with, I don't like those photos now, so I'm really quite, well, a lot smaller than I am now. Okay, where are we at? Okay, we've been down to Morrison's to get some stuff, and now we are just about ready to head off to Newcastle. All of my clothes and things ready. You always got to be prepared. When you're doing a shoot like this for a portfolio, you just pack as many clothes together as you can and just take it all, because you never know what they're gonna. Well, they send you a brief, but better to have something and not need it than to need it and not have it. Okay, we're ready to go. I'm gonna flip the camera so you can see my beautiful mama. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, look at that dress, lovely. Yeah, we're all done.
I've got some cheese.
Fantastic,
okay, guys, we just arrived to the thing. I'm going to get a high sodium meal and then we're going to go to the shoot. Okay, we're actually at the photo shoot now. The photographer's just with another model, so we're just waiting. But it's alright, it gives me time to get my thoughts ready, you know. Got to be mentally ready for this sort of thing. Are you guys mentally ready? It's hyper. Hola, I'm in the same suit as I was here today. We're in the second look, which is smart. Just waiting for the camera guy. First one was like casual with a white shirt and some jeans, and then some Converse.
False pretenses, you got me here just to film you.
I don't know what you're trying to say.
Well,
wait, is this on?
I should have been here shopping and I'm here filming.
Oh well. What's more important, you're shopping or your son? That's all I'm going to ask you.
Pardon?
What's more important, you're shopping or your son?
Hard question.
You shop for me.
Yeah.
Technically, test you, baby. You picked me out. That's balls.
Step back just a tiny bit.
I wish I hadn't put them shorts on.
Looks like I've been working hard.
Arms in a little bit more. Yeah, perfect, just so it's not too flatten them out a little bit. Yeah, that's cool. Try some looking off camera or looking down towards your hands slightly. Just as though you're training normally, just kind of a little bit more natural. Yeah, that's good. Just put your chin up a little bit more, just so it's slightly. Yeah, that's good. Next one, and try some on an angle as well. So those 3/4 angles, yeah, that's perfect. That's better. Next one. And looking probably just to where my hand is, probably about there. But yeah, that's perfect.
Really?
Close your eyes for now, maybe.
Open. Slide back a little. Yeah, that's perfect. And close right again so we get blinded. And open. That's like good.
Does it look alright?
Yeah.
It feels stupid.
Yeah, it will be the lights. And then open them as wide as you can. Open. Straight ahead again, maybe. Keep walking forwards, just slowly, just to see where it comes from. Walk backwards again. Yeah, that's perfect. Hang a bit further forwards. Same with the exit. Yeah, that's it. Arm behind the head again. And try one last one, just like in the light. Try some on the back of the neck.
What's going on, guys? Just got back from the photo shoot. Just because we've been out all day does not mean we can skip the gym. We're doing deadlifts, in fact, the king of all exercises. So
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through.
I know this isn't a very good hairstyle, but it keeps my hair out my eyes, so if you comment about the hair, I'll just be like, lol, I've addressed the situation. What's going on, guys? I've got chest today with Josh. Starting off with flat bench, I'm doing 5 sets of 5, he's doing 5 sets of 10. Because I'm working on strength, and then I'm going to go into bodybuilding afterwards. So, we've already warmed up. Well, we're in the process of warming up now, like warm-up sets.
Yeah.
I've already warmed up my joints and stuff like that. Josh was doing some side laterals there with light weights. So, but if you want to see that in another video, like actual warm-up, comment down below.
In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining.